Goodies, welcome back to your girl channel and to my kitchen. How to cook with another requested recipe. Now you wanted me to make curry catfish and shrimp Jamaican style. I'm here to deliver. If you're here watching me cooking for your first time, make sure to say subscribe and turn on your post notification so you will always be reminded whenever your girl upload a brand new video. Make we jump right into it, no man. In my eyes, you're a star girl. Hey, she fit me, and she give me love plenty. Yeah, she authentic. This are the real thing. This are the Big up yourself to all the new goodie them, and much love to all my old time goodie. Yeah, as the thing said, we're gonna make some requested recipe right here. So curry, catfish, and shrimp, right? Now to get started, you wanna add salt and black pepper to it first for flavor. Then you add garlic powder, and then you're gonna add onion powder. Also, the fish seasoning of my choice is this Caribbean brand. Me use it all the time. It's pretty good. Now, there's so many on the shelf, but if you don't want to go this kind of seafood blend, use all-purpose season, Old Bay season, any kind of season where you want to use, go ahead and use it. I'm going to use ground ginger. If you don't have ground ginger, use fresh ginger, but make sure you chop it up nice. Ginger is going to give the fish curry flavor, and not only flavor, it will settle your belly, especially if people who are eating curry can hardly tolerate it. So you're going to put the ginger in it to settle out them bad belly. They like all my own ginger after going at it when I make anything curry. Now you want to go in and give it a nice mix and a nice blend with clean hands, of course. Clean, and we send our kitchen good every time straight, right? Make sure so your hands are nice and clean, and just mix that in. We're going to let it marinate for 30 minutes. I'm going to let it marinate for 30 minutes because we don't have long time to go marinate no meat or none of that stuff. But you just make sure so you let it sit for a few minutes just to soak up that seasoning, right? Soak it up like a bit. I wrapped it in the plastic wrap, and then I set it aside. I make it go and chill. Now in this pot right here, I added some extra virgin olive oil, and you can use any kind of oil of your choice. Went in and added the curry powder and a combination of fresh garlic, and all the amount for the recipe goodie will be listed down in your description box, so make sure so you check it out. It is down there. Go in and give it a nice little mix and a nice little blend without burning it. We are going to clash that curry and that garlic together. Then you go back in and add some extra oil to it to loosen it up. Then after you do that, you go in and you add the fish into the frying pan, and your fire is on medium heat only. Do not go to put it on high heat because everything are gonna ruin. What I'm trying to achieve here is for that garlic to soak into the fish. You see how we just suck on the fish? That's how we want it to look, and that's what we want to happen. It's gonna have a massive amount of flavor. I'm only doing this for 6 to 7 minutes tops on medium heat. 6 to 7 minutes top on medium heat. That's all we need, because fish cooks really fast and we don't want to overcook it, because remember we still have the fish to add into the group, so we don't want to overcook the fish here. It's gonna fall apart, go the hot mess, fall apart. Just go ahead and remove it from the pot on medium heat after it has been doing its thing for nothing past 7 minutes tops, right? 7 minutes tops, and it smells so good, goodie. Now I'm removing it here from the pot, right? I'm gonna use that same, see how the fish look perfect. That's how you want it to look. See, no burn, no, it's good. In that pot we're gonna use that. So what we're going to add here is our onions and tomatoes and potatoes and thyme, scallion and hot pepper and all that other good stuff. Everything are right down at the bottom of the thing, right? Just make sure so you have your platter right there. So ready your tomato, and you go ahead and just throw all of them goodies all up in that thing there, like so. Add about a cup of water. Then you add your coconut milk. 1 cup of that because you want the potatoes to cook. Now we're going to add some pimento seeds, just like that, or allspice as you want to call it. I just had a couple of it to it. And apple cider vinegar because the girl never cook without it. And what is it for? Vinegar is going to cleanse the body from the inside out. I did add some lime juice. You could use fresh lemon if you like, but I don't have that on, so I use it. 4 tablespoons of unsalted butter, of course, because we want that thing to have what? Flavor, right? Flavor. Every time in the kitchen, flavor, we say straight. Now give it a good mix and a good blend like so. And again, your fire is still on medium heat, and we want that thing to simmer nice and slow. Yes, boo. After it simmer nice and slow for about 30 minutes and your potatoes and everything come together real nice, we are going to make sure that you give it a good taste, just to make sure that everything is flavored the way that you want it, because if that is not flavored properly, you are going to have flan, curry, shrimp, and fish, or whatever you want to call it, but it's going to be flan if there's no flavor in it. So add flavor if you want to, but I checked mine and mine was fine. Then I went in and add my catfish to the mix, and I gave them space to breathe, right, like so. And then I added my shrimp on top. Now remember, shrimp takes 6 minutes to cook only. Anything over 6 minutes, especially when you're doing a combination like this, your shrimp is going to be overcooked. Just go ahead and sprinkle some fresh parsley or dried parsley if you have it. Then go in and get some of that good gravy on top of that shrimp, because you're not going to mix up the thing. Just be sure to remember in your mind, shrimp only takes 6 minutes to cook, and your fish was already cooking for 6 to 7 minutes. I did add a little bit of salt, just a little sprinkle of salt, not too much, because girl cut down on that, and that's how the thing set right there. So proper, right? Now all you have to do here is just go ahead and cover it up and leave it unbothered for 6 minutes, right? Now while we're waiting for that 6 minutes, make sure that you have subscribed. Please like and share the recipes with friends and family, right? Now don't forget about your giveaway. Make sure notifications are on for that. Vegan goodies, your recipe is over there on my channel, Life as Juliana, and the story time is coming very, very soon. Make sure to say you subscribe for all of that, and everything is down below. Thanks for the love and support, and I love you guys so much. Now we are all done here after 6 minutes, and I can tell you one thing: the coconut milk makes everything come together really well. The thing is so divine. Now the shrimp is all soaked up with the flavor from the fish, and it's a combination right there. I'm telling you, honey, you are going to love this on some white rice and peas, or whatever it is that you want. But I went in for white rice in mine, right? Added my catfish to the mix right there, and the thing was so nice and moist, and the smell was everything. Throw in my good up shrimp, potatoes, veggies. Everything came together so nicely. That coconut smell on that shrimp is no joke. That's how it was when I was done on the plate, honey. I was ready to serve. Add some jalapeno pepper to it, and honey, was this thing glorious, victorious. The catfish was so tender. It was soft, and it was tender, and it was juicy, and with that shrimp, a combination of all of that stuff, trust me, heavens door me there. The thing was so good. Take a bite. Take your first bite. Go ahead, take a bite. You will not be disappointed. The thing is magnificent. Yeah. Go ahead, the thing. When I tell you the thing good enough, I not joke talk, so the thing good enough. The thing good. Just a little flavor from the pepper, because I really didn't burst the pepper. Just a tad bit of flavor, and the thing was saying "Mamma mia, mamma mia, mamma mia." The thing was so good. Massive big up to all the winners of the giveaway, and don't forget, if you want to be a winner for the giveaway, it's very simple. All you have to do is make sure that your notification is set to on, and yeah, go ahead and subscribe to the channel Life of Juliana, and it's very simple. You can be a winner too. Now, if you're still here watching me cooking this recipe, make sure you share the thing, make sure you share the thing them with all of your friends them. As always, just share the recipe. Now, spread it across the road, down the street, everywhere. Tell me what you'd like to have me cooking next in my kitchen. And remember, as always, from my kitchen to your kitchen, enjoy! Blaze up the music, now the cider.